Hi there, we're talking fingers. Today we are going to show you how to do one-handed revolution force. It looks like this. As you can see, it's a force cut. We assume that you have already know how to do one-handed revolution, the real one, which looks like this. If you don't, you can look up for some tutorials in YouTube, or perhaps you would like to check mine. Please click the hyperlink over there. To make one-handed revolution force, all you have to do is to pull the bottom packet of the deck to the top before you do one-handed revolution. Okay, let's do it in a very slow motion. First, you hold your deck in the upper mechanic grip like this. Move your index finger to the longer side of the deck. Then use your index finger to pick about half of the deck, and you would like to put the down corner of your bottom packet between your middle finger and your third finger like this. This helps you to keep all your fingers in the right positions. Then pull your index finger towards yourself. When I say yourself, I mean your torso. You know that, right? This will get around the corner of the upper packet, which is now the bottom packet. Here is very important. Use your middle finger to catch the upper packet and move your index finger around the corner very quickly. Now you are in the position of one-handed revolution. Do it. Okay, let's start all over again. First, upper mechanic grip. Move index finger, pick half of the deck, and pull index finger towards yourself to get around the corner. One-handed revolution. That's one-handed revolution force. We are talking fingers. Thank you for watching. Bye.